Hello and welcome to KLEIBERIT. Today I have the great honor of presenting nothing less than an absolute world first in the world of gluing. PUR hot melts are state of the art, especially in furniture manufacturing. The reasons for this are obvious. We have high initial strength, fast build-up of strength, short reaction times, associated to this short idle times. And in addition, a high feed rate of the line is possible. So all in all, we can create a high output with PUR hot melts. What can pose a risk with PUR hot melts is the presence of monomeric-free isocyanate. Improper handling can cause damage of the health. Systems on which PURs are processed have to be housed and equipped with exhausting systems. Employees must also be made aware of possible dangers, and they have to be protected as much as possible by providing personal protective equipment. Due to the risks, PUR hot melts come more and more into the focus of the European Union. A new REACH regulation was passed last year, which regulates clearly the handling of isocyanates. All companies that deal with products that contain more than 0.1% of isocyanate have to fulfill special requirements when the transition period expires in August 2023. These requirements includes extended and intensive trainings for the employees and certain regulations for the storage of the products. Especially the training courses represent a time and cost factor for larger companies. We at KLEIBERIT have had a wide range of monomer-reduced adhesives since years. The content of the free monomeric isocyanate is less than 0.1% in these products. With this use of our monomer-reduced called ME products, our customers are released from the obligation to train the employees, and they also reduce the health risk of the employees. As a pioneer in PUR hot melts, monomer reduced was an important step for us for the benefit of our customers, but it was only a step. It was and always had been our goal to create a chemically reactive and monomer-free product. For us, there was no question that this had to be done without compromising on the adhesive performance. What PUR hot melts can do, an alternative technology must also deliver. Progress in health protection should not lead to a setback in adhesive performance. Today, I have good news for you. It doesn't have to. Because we have succeeded in developing an isocyanate-free reactive hot melt that can be processed without any effort on the same systems that are running all over the world where already PUR hot melts are processed. Our new product is isocyanate-free, labeling-free and chemical reactive. In order to be able to get a picture for yourself, we prepared a little film for illustration. Please see yourself. We will bring the new isocyanate-free reactive hot melt to the market as KLEIBERIT 736 series. The usual pre-melting units can be used to melt KLEIBERIT 736. The product can be melted without any problems and then evenly dosed into the flat lamination line. The working temperature is about 100 degrees Celsius, which is well below the processing temperature of PUR hot melts. This has no disadvantages, but opens up the possibility of saving energy, since both the flat lamination line and the pre-melting units save heating energy. For example, KLEIBERIT 736.2 has a very good roller stability and creates a uniform application pattern. In various tests in the KLEIBERIT Technical Center, application weights of about 25 grams per square meter were achieved, which is very attractive, for example for impact sound bonding. Here we show the production of a floor element as an example. First of all, the impact sound is applied. After leaving the colander, the initial strength is so high that peeling off the impact sound material is not possible. Then the decorative layer gets on top. The decorative layer material can be put on as sheets as well as direct from a roll. Here a CPL coated with KLEIBERIT hot coating with a stone look is applied manually. The decorative layer can be easily laid on and smoothed out. KLEIBERIT 736.2 has an excellent transfer behavior, which can be checked immediately after leaving the colander. If you turn on a corner, you can see a 100% glue transfer of the adhesive to the layer material, as well as a good initial strength. Here it becomes clear that there is no difference in processing of conventional PUR hot melts. The materials which can be laminated with the new isocyanate-free reactive hot melt are very diverse and are in no way inferior to the conventional PUR hot melts. We have made most of the experiences so far in bonding of wood-based materials, such as HDF, MDF, chipboards and of course various decorative materials. But we are still expanding our knowledge and our product series piece by piece. In addition to various types of lamination, we have also put KLEIBERIT 736.2 through different tests. We were able to achieve excellent temperature and moisture resistance with the samples produced. Just we as KLEIBERIT and you as our customer already known from our PUR hot melts. So, let me summarize the most important key facts of KLEIBERIT 736.2 for you. It's a completely isocyanate-free system. It's chemically reactive, no labeling is required, it runs on the existing systems, so no invest is necessary. There is a significant minimization of the health risk for your employees. Due to the lower processing temperature, you can save energy, and no CO2 is released during the chemical cross-linking, and in this case also no risk of bubbling. So, KLEIBERIT 736, it's an absolutely ecological and economical product. I hope I was able to awake your interest in this completely new product, and you want to test the isocyanate-free reactive hot melt yourself. Feel free to come to our technology center in Weingarten for tests, to laminate your own substrates there and to work with my colleagues and me to find out solutions for your requirements. Do you want to get the hang of it right away? Okay, we are also happy to provide you with advice and assistance on your system, so that you and your employees can carry out tests directly on your line. I really look forward for your inquiries, your proposals and your ideas. Thank you very much.